Stan Gibilisco right back at you to expand on the Zener Diode voltage limiting and voltage regulation concept in the interest of completeness. In the previous video about Zener Diode apps, I showed you a specific circuit, and here it is, actually a current limiting, voltage limiting arrangement that uses a Zener diode. That limited the voltage in that case to 3.6 volts because this was a 3.6 volt Zener diode. This current limiting resistor protects the diode from destruction by excessive current which might otherwise flow through it from the input source. But the problem with a circuit like this is that it does not provide very good voltage regulation at the output. If you put any kind of a significant load on the output, that is to say, if the load resistance is low, it's going to disrupt the performance of this whole circuit because of this current limiting resistor. It's not going to be able to provide the necessary voltage to the circuit under question because this current limiting resistor will compete with the load for power. And if you place a heavy enough load on there, that current limiting resistor might actually burn out depending upon its rated power dissipation tolerance. But there is a way around that. You can have a little bit more highfalutin circuit, and here's what it looks like. You let a power transistor handle all of the heavy-duty work. There's your biasing resistor for that transistor, and the Zener diode has only to make sure that the bias on the base of this transistor remains correct to switch it on or off in order to provide the appropriate amount of current flowing through here to get to the output, so that you can in fact not only limit but more appropriately said regulate the output of this circuit. Now from a filter, that means from a power supply filter. So we have unregulated direct current voltage here, regulated direct current voltage here, and this power transistor will take care of the problem of varying loads. This resistor will still limit the current through the Zener diode, but it will not limit the current through the circuit itself. So this circuit is capable of actually regulating voltage from a DC power supply over a wide range of load resistances. With that, I will retire back to another of my favorite vacation spots, the far side of this moon. I don't want to be looking at Saturn at that close range because the magnetic field from Saturn would probably produce enough radiation to kill me in a couple of days. As it is, situations here may take more like a couple of years to kill me. Aw, shucks. Go to space. That's what I say humans should be doing. Go to space. There's a lot out there waiting for us to see. Or I should say waiting for you to see, because I'm a space alien and I know all about it. Stan Gibilisco signing off. Until next time, so long.